Hello my rosebuds and happy new year. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have a new year's resolution of wanting to dress up more and look good and spice up your fashion sense and just be more fashion. You know what I mean? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the complete opposite. I'm gonna show you a bunch of lazy and comfy outfits with sweaters and hoodies and sweatpants, but there's a plot twist. I'm gonna show you guys how you can style it so that it looks like you really tried to put your outfit together without trying it all. Like literally no effort. It's just a styling and layering formula that you have to do, and then it'll make people think that, oh my gosh, you're so fashionable and you really thought this outfit out. But like, not really. I personally think that these are perfect for school, especially if you're just coming back from winter break. You're transitioning through that lazy phase into that I'm gonna get back on my grind phase. The hoodie and sweats featured in today's video are sponsored by Talentless. Talentless is a great place for quality basics. They're a great price for the type of quality that they give you, so thank you to the babes at Talentless for giving me these cute, comfy pieces. They're so kind to do a giveaway with my viewers, which means you guys are that much closer to achieving this effortless, lazy look. All you have to do to enter is register your email in the link in my description box, then follow Talentless on Instagram, and lastly, comment done and where you're from in the comment section below of this video. That's pretty much it, and I'll make sure to include all that info down at the bottom so you guys don't miss anything. The winner will be announced in 2 weeks, so good luck to everyone who enters, and without further ado, let us get to the styling video. So we're gonna start off with the first outfit that most people think of when they think of lazy outfits, which is your basic hoodie and sweatpants look. This is probably the most go-to outfit as far as being comfortable. I think it just adds a little bit more when you decide to match colors. I feel like it's a more thought out outfit. I absolutely love this set so much. I really like the color. The wash looks more worn, if anything. It definitely has a vintage vibe to it. I think that's why I love it so much. I also really like that the hood has lining, and to elevate the look even more, I decided to throw on some brand new shoes. Obviously a lot of people don't have brand new shoes. These just happened to arrive like right before I filmed this video. I think any cool shoe would elevate your basic lazy look. Okay, so for this outfit, I just switched out the sweatpants for some white cycling shorts. The main focal point of my outfit is this mini bag that has this really big chain on it. I also think matching all these whites with the white shorts and the white shoes and the white bag really tie everything together. I feel like when people match colors in their outfit, it makes it look like they tried that much harder to put an outfit together, when really it's not even that hard. Mauve sweatpants set and this off-white set are both from Talentless. Alright, so Talentless is a little bit more on the pricier side as far as basics goes. However, I have learned that as far as fashion goes, quality and sustainability is the key. Your girl has had her fair share of fast fashion. I wear a lot of streetwear hoodies and sweaters, and they are definitely over $100 each. However, I've noticed whenever it's really freezing cold, do I ever go and get my fast fashion $15 hoodies? No, I never do, because they won't keep me warm at all. I always tend to go grab my streetwear hoodies because they're so thick and their quality is so good, and I know it will keep me warm. It's really good quality, and I feel like I will be able to have this for years and years and years, whereas a lot of the hoodies that I own currently under $15, girl, no, they will not last. I'm surprised that they even lasted a year. So I think I'm just at that stage in my fashion life where I feel that it's good to invest in quality items, especially basics, because you know basics will be around forever and they're such classic and they will never go out of style. What I love about these sweatpants is that they all come with zipper pockets. It's really, really cool. Whatever's like very valuable, you could stuff it in here, zip it up, and you might be dancing with someone and they try to take your phone. They can't swoop it because it's stuck in the zipper. Anyways, I thought that was really cool. So I switched out my hoodie for this leather oversized shirt. Sometimes switching out a piece, for example a hoodie for a leather shirt or a leather jacket, can make such a difference for an outfit. I also slicked back my hair and threw on some hoops to give it a more cleaner look. Like, even though I'm still wearing sweats, I look like I'm about business. These sweats are just amazing because, you know, like I could stretch and everything, and this oversized shirt is still baggy, so I feel very comfortable and just cozy. But you know, I still look presentable in public, very well put together. I could be hungover for all you know, but you don't know that because I don't look hungover. My outfit says so. I literally look like a potato right now. Okay, this outfit looks a little crazy because I tried stuffing my hoodie in my sweatpants, so it's just like really thick back here, you know? Anyway, so I feel like layering is a really big key into making your outfit look like you tried. When you layer things, you have to think about things, so it makes it look like you really thought about your outfit. But if you just have like a basic formula, you could trick anyone, honey. I also layered a bunch of jewelry on. I know a lot of people probably wouldn't agree with this type of outfit because they're not really into utility vests. I'm just really enjoying this type of vibe and aesthetic in the streetwear culture right now. This is such a simple outfit. It's literally just a hoodie with a harness. I personally love harnesses because I just think they're so fun to accessorize with, and I feel like it just adds that little oomph in an outfit, you know what I mean? And it's still comfy and cozy because I'm in like oversized clothes and I'm just drowning in it, and it's like a big blanket. This outfit is basically the same as I've been wearing in the other outfits. A hoodie with cycling shorts, but then this time I layered a fishing vest over, and as you can see, it definitely pulls and ties everything together in an outfit. It's so basic, but I think the fact that I'm layering and I'm wearing a lot of jewelry, I think it makes my outfit look that much more cleaner and a little bit more fashionable. So although I am not wearing sweats or a big hoodie, I still consider it a comfy outfit because I love the oversized sweater. To spice it up a little, I added this green and blue striped turtleneck. The pants are really baggy, so I think that also adds to the comfy aspect. I love when I see people dressed like this because it looks so effortless, but there's just something so charming about it. I don't know. Am I using the right words to describe this type of look and aesthetic and style? Probably not, but to me it's a very effortless dad look. When I feel like I don't really want to dress up and I just want to be comfortable, I'll usually just throw on an oversized long sleeve shirt and some thigh-high boots. I like these because they're a little bit more of a combat style. The heel is not as high as my other thigh-high boots, so to make it a little less boring, I like throwing over this chain harness. I at first didn't really know how to use it, but I think you just throw it on. Throwing stuff over a basic outfit can really amp it up and elevate it that much more. I feel that this chain harness made my outfit less boring and a little bit more interesting to look at. I also think styling with a mask is also a good way to make your outfit a little bit more interesting. Whenever I see people pairing their outfits with masks, I'm always like, oh my gosh, they're fashionable. Lastly, we have this outfit, which I feel like is a good transition into actual clothes that isn't athleisure. I find skirts really comfortable because you have like the openness of not wearing pants, but you're still covering your butt somehow. That's why I like doing hoodies and skirts, and I feel it's a little bit more of a girly touch. It's just a nice little step up from sweats and leggings and cycling shorts. I also use the belt trick where I tie the belt around my waist, and then I use that to cinch the bottom of the sweater. That way it looks like it's a cropped hoodie. It's a really easy trick that anyone can use. I obviously did a really terrible job at hiding the back, but you guys get the point. But yeah, I would say hoodies and skirts are probably one of my favorite go-to formulas for a comfy outfit. Alright, and that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got some new inspiration of how to style your comfy and lazy outfits. Don't forget to check out all the items featured in today's video. They will be linked down at the bottom, as well as all the info for the giveaway. If you guys want to connect with me, all my socials are at the Nava Rose. That's it. I love you guys all so much. Happy styling, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me. That's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me.